In this video, we're going to go over the installation of the Quart Jeep rear overhead soundbar. This is compatible with the Jeep JL Wrangler and JT Gladiator. The installation should take about 120 minutes or 2 hours. On page 1, you can find a list of the tools required, and as you can see, we have them laid out here. Let's get right to it. Step 1. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. Step 2. Remove driver and passenger front roof panels per the vehicle's owner manual instructions. 3. Remove 4 T25 Torx from the passenger side front ROPs, and then carefully unclip and remove from the vehicle. 4. Remove 3 or 4 T25 Torx from the passenger side rear lower ROPs. 5. Remove 2 T25 Torx from the passenger inside rear ROPs, then carefully unclip and remove from the vehicle. Repeat the previous 2 steps on the driver's side. Six. Remove 3 T25 Torx from the front of the middle ROPs cover. 7. Carefully remove the dome light. Try to use a long flathead screwdriver to depress the clips on either side of the metal clips. Unclip the wire connector and remove from the vehicle. 8. Carefully unclip the middle ROPs cover from the OEM soundbar and remove from the vehicle. 9. Using a panel popper, remove the fir tree body clip on the front corner edge on the passenger side ROPs. Then carefully unclip the panel and remove from the vehicle. Note, some vehicles may have noise-canceling microphones mounted to these panels that will need to be disconnected. You will repeat this process on the driver's side. 10. Unclip the 2 panels on the B-pillar sill panel. 11. Unclip the B-pillar sill panel. 12. Disconnect the OEM wiring connector from the OEM soundbar. 13. Remove 3 bolts with a 10mm socket on the passenger side. Repeat on the driver's side. 14. Now you can remove the soundbar from the vehicle. We recommend having a helping hand for this step. 15. Install the Quart soundbar using the bolts from the previous step. Loosely install 3 bolts on the passenger side and repeat on the driver's side. Once all 6 bolts are installed, go back and tighten with a 10mm socket. Route the soundbar wiring across the OEM wiring towards the passenger B pillar and then down to the floor. Secure the wiring with zip ties. 17. With the wiring secured down the B pillar, route the wiring towards your amplifier and make appropriate wiring connections. 18. All of the Quart soundbars are designed to plug into an NA2 400.2 or an NA2 400.2 RC amplifier. 19. If your Quart soundbar has the RGB lighting option, then the black wire will be connected to a positive 12-volt source. The red, green, and blue wires would need to see a negative or ground for those colors, and the chart to the right on page 8 of the manual gives you a list of the different combinations. 20. Install the B-pillar sill panel. 21. Clip the two panels back into the B-pillar sill panel. 22. Install passenger side corner panel by clipping back into the vehicle. Then install the fir tree clip. Repeat this process on the driver's side. 23. Pass the dome light connector through the dome light hole on the middle ROPS cover. Then clip the middle ROPS cover to the soundbar. 24. Install the dome light wiring connector into the dome light and then clip the dome light into the middle ROPS cover. 25. Install 3 screws into the front of the middle ROPS cover. 26. Install the passenger side ROPS panel by carefully sliding into place and then clipping. After, secure with 2 T25 Torx. 27. Install 3 4 T25 Torx on the passenger side rear ROPS. Repeat the last 2 steps on the driver's side. Carefully install the passenger side front ROPS panel by sliding into place, then snapping the clips into the final position. Install 2 T25 Torx screws. 29. Install 2 more T25 Torx screws on the passenger side front ROPS panel. Repeat last 2 steps on the driver's side. 30. Install the driver and passenger side front roof per vehicle owner manual instructions. 31. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. And with that step complete, the installation of the Quart 8-inch soundbar is finished. We hope you enjoy your new Quart soundbar. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.